how I start all of my video? The brown boy here. Hello, what's up guys, it's your boy Yo. Welcome back to my video guys. Okay, this is the video of the tutorial that you guys wanted so much for that video, because I edited a lot of pictures and oh shit, it's gonna rain, yeah. Okay, I'm making a very simple video for you all because I just want to show you guys how did I do all the stuff, and I chose some people on here for this video because I chose those that I made the best. Like I made the best because I mean like the not because of they're famous or what the shit, okay? It's just because their photos are like legit good for editing, like seriously, not like what the fuck. I mean not that your photos are terrible, it's just that they I mean the way they took the photo. Shit, what am I talking about? No, I mean how okay, I think I need a dictionary for this. It doesn't have the shitty quality. I mean no shitty quality. Ayo, because this thing not I'm drawing, you know, it's actually the app that's controlling it. So whenever the app can the photos that the app can detect. Photos that the app can detect, yeah. The photos that the app can detect. So yeah, these are all the photos that the app can detect. Don't hate me, okay? Just enjoy the video. Okay, bye bye. Oh shit. Wait, come on then. Bye bye.
Telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Wake up in your bedroom and there's nothing left to say. When I try to talk, you're always playing board games. I wish I had Monopoly over your mind. I wish I didn't care all the time. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Ring around the rosy, I never know what you need. Ring around the rosy, I wanna give you what you need. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. You know I give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.
Seriously guys, oh my god, if you guys like this video, please remember to like and share and subscribe, okay? Just share to every friend of yours that wanted to do a picture like this. I'm having a tutorial for you guys, so yeah, you guys could yeah, that's all. And I'm gonna have a full montage over here after this clip of whoever sent me the early batch and whoever I edited finished. So this is a short video for you guys, so yeah, thanks for all, and yeah, the bomb boy will be back soon with another new video.
Hold up.
可以和你在一起，我们之间有太多回忆，爱上了你没什么道理，只是刚好今